Welcome back to CarWow 787, your favorite tractor review, where we bring you the latest updates, expert reviews, and in-depth analysis of the most powerful farming machines in India. If you're passionate about agriculture, technology, and smart investments in farming, then make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. In today's video, we're taking a close look at one of the most trusted and powerful tractors from Mahindra, the Mahindra 585D Power Plus BP, and this is the 2026 updated model. This tractor is already well known among Indian farmers for its unmatched performance, strong engine, and excellent features. With the new upgrades in the 2026 version, it's even more efficient, more durable, and more farmer-friendly. Whether you're into heavy-duty plowing, rotavator work, or operating implements like threshers and cultivators, the 585D Power Plus BP is built to handle everything with ease. Let's start with the heart of the tractor, its engine. The Mahindra 585D Power Plus BP is powered by a 4-cylinder, 3054cc diesel engine that delivers a robust 50 horsepower. This engine is known for its high torque and fuel efficiency, which means more work done per liter of diesel. With Mahindra's ELS extra long stroke technology, the engine performs better even under tough load conditions. You can expect powerful traction, better performance with implements, and the ability to operate smoothly in fields with hard soil or wet conditions. One of the standout aspects of this tractor is its ability to deliver high power without compromising fuel economy. Mahindra has always focused on providing power-packed performance with low operating costs, and this tractor continues that tradition. Farmers who use the 585D Power Plus often report excellent mileage in both field and haulage work. Whether you're transporting goods or plowing fields for hours, this tractor doesn't burn your pocket on fuel. Moving on to the transmission, the Mahindra 585D Power Plus BP comes with a partial constant mesh gearbox. It has 8 forward and 2 reverse gears, allowing you to choose the right speed depending on the type of work. Whether you're plowing slowly or need to move fast with a trolley load, the gear ratios are smooth, and the gear shifting is easy even for long working hours. The advanced gearbox system ensures less vibration and more comfort for the operator. Let's talk about the hydraulics next. This tractor is equipped with advanced ADDC automatic draft and depth control. This feature ensures your implement depth remains consistent even when the soil conditions change. Whether you're using a cultivator, plow, or rotavator, the implement automatically adjusts to give optimal performance and better fuel efficiency. With a lifting capacity of around 1,800 kilograms, the 585D Power Plus can easily handle medium to heavy implements used in different types of farming. Another reason why farmers prefer this tractor is the durability of its chassis and design. The 2026 model features a stronger, reinforced body with better build quality, ensuring longer life and less maintenance. The tractor has a solid wheelbase and overall balanced weight distribution, which gives better stability on uneven ground. Whether you're working in paddy fields, sugarcane areas, or dry soil, the tractor remains stable and firm. Comfort is something many farmers ignore, but it actually plays a big role in productivity. Mahindra understands that farmers often work for long hours under the sun. That's why the 585D Power Plus BP comes with a spacious and ergonomic driver area. The seating is comfortable with adjustable suspension, the steering wheel is smooth, and the control levers are positioned perfectly so that the driver doesn't get tired quickly. The 2026 model even has improved foot space and wider fenders, making it more convenient to get on and off the tractor. Let's talk tires and braking. The Mahindra 585D Power Plus BP comes with large rear tires, generally 14.9x28 or 13.6x28, depending on the variant. These tires provide excellent grip in wet and dry fields, reducing slippage and improving performance. The tractor uses dry disc brakes as standard, but you can also get oil-immersed brakes for better braking performance and longer brake life. With oil-immersed brakes, you get more stopping power, especially when carrying heavy loads. Now, coming to the PTO power takeoff. This tractor has a 540 RPM PTO. That's standard in most Mahindra tractors, but what sets this apart is its efficiency. It delivers high PTO horsepower, meaning it can easily operate a wide range of PTO-driven implements like rotavators, threshers, sprayers, and water pumps. With proper PTO speed and reliable engine torque, This tractor doesn't slow down even when the PTO load increases. Design-wise, the 2026 model of Mahindra 585D Power Plus looks modern and aggressive. With Mahindra's new styling, you get bold graphics, sharper headlamps, and a sleek hood design. The red and black combination with metallic finish gives it a premium and powerful look. It's not just built for performance but also for pride, because owning a powerful tractor should feel like owning a powerful car. When we talk about maintenance, Mahindra ensures that this tractor is easy to service and maintain. All the service points are easily accessible. The filters, engine oil, and radiator can be cleaned and replaced without opening the whole system. Spare parts are readily available at affordable prices, and Mahindra's wide dealer and service network means you're never too far from help. Let's now look at the pricing. The Mahindra 585D Power Plus BP 2026 model is competitively priced between 7.20 lakh to 7.8 lakh, depending on your location and variant. With financing options, government subsidies, and exchange offers, it becomes even more affordable for small and medium farmers. When you consider the features, performance, and resale value, it truly offers great value for money. If you're someone who is looking for a tractor that delivers raw power, dependable performance, great fuel efficiency, and low maintenance, then the Mahindra 585D Power Plus BP should definitely be on your list. It's perfect for both agricultural and haulage use, especially in demanding conditions where normal tractors struggle. This tractor also has a high resale value in the second-hand market, thanks to its strong build, brand trust, and long-term performance. That means even after 5 to 6 years of use, you can expect a good return if you decide to upgrade. Before we wrap up, let's summarize. The Mahindra 585D Power Plus BP 2026 is a complete all-rounder tractor built for Indian farmers who want reliability, strength, and comfort in a single package. With a powerful 50 HP engine, advanced hydraulics, high lifting capacity, smooth transmission, and modern looks, this tractor ticks all the boxes. It is backed by Mahindra's trusted network, durable build, and strong community support. If you're planning to buy a tractor this season and need something that works hard like you, then the Mahindra 585D Power Plus BP is a serious contender. Whether it's plowing, sowing, harvesting, or transport, it handles everything with ease. That brings us to the end of this video. If you found this review helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and give this video a like. Your support helps us bring honest, useful content for the farming community. And don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments. Are you planning to buy this tractor? Or do you already own a Mahindra 585? We'd love to hear your experience. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video with another powerful tractor review. Until then, take care, stay safe, and happy farming.